We made it.
Ah, we made
With
it.
the byways left behind, your beginnings have ended. This realm has long been forgotten by the Fae,
Aha!
left
I have
in
arrived.
limbo, not unlike you. How fitting. And thus, here is yours to put down roots. But beware.
Beware.
In short time, darkness will descend, and with it, Stygian perils. Laying foundations will keep you intrepid, child of Earth. While you play carpenter, there are nooks in these surrounding wilds I must scrub for the knowledge I play.
So you can't, if you stay too long, those things come out. Is what I'm getting from what you just said.
Maybe, or yeah, it's every time you go to do another world or something like that, you probably.
And it's not what he just said, but we'll see.
Oh no, yeah. My ways left behind, your beginnings have ended. I welcome you. Farewell. In earnest.
Oh, I think oh, it's other people. Actual people.
Please put down your roots.
I wonder if you'll be here.
Well, fine. I'm just talking to, just finished the truck chatting with Puck. Right. So there's a.
It's like a building, like a rundown building. It's like a campsite sort of thing.
Oh, the big looking castle thing.
Yeah.
But no, like a big, yeah. I've just spawned on the beach.
Yeah, I'm at the beach
How long
now.
did you? Oh, that's immune. So that needs a higher thing. Right, I'm on the way down. I think I still hang on. Do I? Right now, I think I can see the party thing now. So if I create a party,
Yeah.
there you go. So just give me a thing, and all I got to do is I can go to invite. I can make it public or private. So I made it private. If I click on no, where's the invite? So how do I invite? Invite to realm, the party, or do I just go to? Right. So if I click on that, if I click on your name, invite to play. I'm guessing it blends the Oscars together.
Well, I've accepted to see what it does.
Yeah, I'm just watching the thing now on the party social because there's a page that comes up. You look like you can have 6 in total. Oh, I'm way down again.
It doesn't seem to have added us in together, so.
I'll just make my way over to the thing, see what happens. I'll have to have a look and see how that works.
Are you Mad Butters?
Yeah.
It's not showing you.
Oh, I've got there. Right. Aid fellows how to play. I've just had a thing come up with aid fellows survivors. I've not seen the found the stairs.
Oh, wolves.
There's right, made it to where they are. I'm going to stand here and look at how the thing works. See if there's a better way to do the invite. Right. So how do we work the simplest? Party and social. So how do I invite? Oh, hang on. Search. So if I type in right, I'm gonna go. I've gone. Were you looking for me through the party thing? Or I've now made it. Oh, it says invites to public. That might be why that wasn't working for me earlier. I'm just trying to figure out how to do.
I've had no invites.
Players, so yeah. No, but if you that's what I've done is I've just looked at. Oh, well, I've got numbers on my what's called name. So what? Bring up the press escape. Bring up party and social.
Yeah.
What's your name on the thing? Because mine's Mad Butters and it's got a hashtag and numbers
Oh.
on it. So what's yours?
Where? Where's
Is
that?
it
Oh,
Python?
I'm Python hashtag 6181.
6181. So if I do that and press enter, there you are. Invite. So I just found that in game. There you go. It's now bringing you.
Is out of range?
It's now. Yeah, out of range. It's obviously just. Join realm. Python has invited you to travel to their realm. Would you like to accept? Yes, or no? I'm joining yours then. Either way, one of as long as one of them works at the time. Prepare for
Ah, a visitor. You're the only one. You're the only fine soul we've happened upon in this realm. You appear most welcome surprise. Who might you be? I'm a refugee.
Okay. I'm going to extract that into dust so I can actually move quicker. Now, I guess. There's your mic. Oh, here you go. I can see from a distance now. It says 5 Python, as in what your level is. So I'm running towards you are now. Oh, okay. My building's the other way around.
All right.
Yeah, mine had a different turnout in that sense. So they do change. I am a refugee of privacy, leave the realms and try to survive. Under the light with a great many stories to tell, collecting such stories in my trade, you see. Right, colleagues looking for work, so that's the NPCs you'll be able to hire. That seems quite reasonable. So you've got quest. Why should I be concerned with their work?
Are you seeing the other people here? Are these actual players?
No, I think
No.
these are people you can. There's one
Oh,
called
this
Company.
is-
I noticed.
This is a tradesman.
Yeah, he's a trader. SS
Oh,
trader.
climate. Simple
That
climate
guy with the
axe.
He's got climate axe.
Simple hammer, fishing rod, 30 whatever credits are. I assume I haven't got any.
I don't know what we have to use for it. Oh no, I've got 89. It's the first one in the tab on the bottom on the left. You got there's white, light blue, dark,
Where?
aqua blue, and purple. When you're talking to him in the bottom, I've got 89. I think that's normal essence.
Oh, I
stuff.
see.
I might pick the. I might do the climbing picks because we'll be able to climb, but then again, I can do both. I'm going to do thinking about the umbrella and the climbing picks. But then you got fishing rod and umbrella. But I think you could just, if we go and grab stuff and turn it into essence. Well,
do,
five is
not
good.
enough
We'll buy that.
essence. I bought the climbing picks.
Well, I've done that. Now I'm down to 29. Yeah, let's just grab those two. But the main mission at the moment is saying, so you can recruit that guy with the company name. That's who you can recruit. But apparently you've got to build an estate, Khan. Oh, these are wood bundles. Probably not what we need for that. Let's go over there and give us some
Why
of
is
this
it not
stuff.
showing in my inventory? There is wolves about. I got attacked.
Yeah, I just hear.
What is that bloody noise? It's like an invisible thing over
yeah,
there. Look.
Yeah, it's like a ghost. Yeah, that's what is that? Like a ghost deer, is it?
Coming this way.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Need to, how do we? Or maybe need to making. We're probably going to need a table for this, aren't we? Yeah. I think we're going to have to. I'm going to go this way.
Simple sling bow.
I'll just keep.
Need a bow.
Yeah, it'd be a good idea to have some of these weapons, wouldn't it, really? Oh, sandstone. If I extract that, that might give me enough. Give me 14 in total. So I might be able to get this sling thing, whatever it is. Oh, we can see we can build their what's called over here. It's part of their quest. What is that? Is that a crafting table? Or is that? Oh, it's a magic chest. Oh, okay.
Have you
See,
recruited that guy? Do you have to pay him?
No. I don't know how that works. I just go up to him and well, yeah, what's it say? Does it say how you pay him or?
Well, I've recruited him.
Now he'll just basically. I'm guessing when you go up to him. I wonder what happens if I go up to him. Speak to Lewis. Oh, it says for hire, so but I can recruit him as well, basically. But we'll leave that. He'll just follow you, and he'll be near you, and he'll collect things. And you can if you go talk to him, you can drop stuff off with him. I think we might need to for doing with the building stuff, because I think we're going to need a crafting table. Because I can't craft those new items we've unlocked.
No.
Well, not the climbing. The climbing picks need straps. So I'm assuming we're going to need.
Hey, I chopped
Can I
down the
actually build it?
tree.
I wonder if I can build on this world then. Can I build in this state car? That's how it's pronounced.
I assume we got to build whatever is in the list. I did notice that popped into the list.
There's a thing. Yeah, there's a thing on the top right of my screen saying build a estate. Kyan. So if we go to build, say we pick this area, guidebook. So that's cooking, that's makeshift items.
Where have you gone?
Okay,
Where are you?
I'm near the where we saw that ghost
Oh, I'm coming.
deer on the beach. I'm just trying to figure out how to build that. I was saying, claim a plot of land for your estate, complete an encounter and recruit a survivor. So I think I can't actually build that item. I'm guessing it's because it's in your world. I'm part of yours, so you have to build it.
Oh, what? Estate. I need 20 rocks, 20 stone
Hang on,
blocks,
let's see
5
if I can
stone
give you
blocks.
these.
How do you build
So
stone
I've got
blocks?
how do I give that? Can I give that to you? I can drop these stone blocks. I've got some stones here I can drop to you if you want. Let's see if I can get no, that won't do right, will it? Trying to do this big. Right, what is it? Can I do this? Welcome back.
Still need more rocks.
Yeah, hang on, I'm going to give you these. Hang on. If I drop these to the... What kind of... Oh, extraction drop. Oh, you can grab and drop and do it that way. Right, I'm going to confirm dropping 13 of them. Put some more over here.
Oh,
Yeah, you got the blueprint. Yeah, yeah, there you go. You placed the blueprint.
Your tenacity overrules the gusts of fate, and this
Claim a
fate
plot of land of
you
your
have
own. Okay,
pleased.
so maybe I can't do that. Oh, if you go, you can rename it as well.
Settled here, you'll soon wish to venture
just talking
farther.
to the...
The unending lure humankind so
Yeah.
often succumbs to. Should you hear that siren call, you'll require unbraided cards and the power to play them. Fortunately, both are close at hand.
Oh,
And here is the
I've
knowledge that Robin's friendship affords. Across this realm lie sites of power
So,
sealed
how
by
far
your
can I be
kin
from your
long
place?
ago,
Well, I just put mine down.
forsworn by Fae even longer still.
Place.
There are many sites, each granting access to ever more distant spheres. Nearest, though, the antiquarian. Formidable enough
Right,
for
that's
you
it.
must first gain entry. Passing
Only
through a
one space.
seal forged by those last children of Earth, who claimed reverence for our infinite wisdom. They, more than most, knew the gravity of their gates bar access to those
Just realised I
unworthy.
didn't
But
question
I
dead unless
see
my
that
character's stamina
strange,
is at
hopeful
sure.
spark within you.
Probably why it says
Nurture
"You are
it
tired."
with its own fundament, humanity. Be it comfort, companionship, coffer, I know not. Once within, delve ever deeper, toward the pedestal. Upon it lies the means to craft the card you require. Hurry now, fleshling, and prepare. The
Right, that was interesting.
What's that?
What he said, when you craft one of those things, it's just what he said.
Oh, okay, yeah. I think you were talking about Puck.
Yeah.
I need more cards.
I wonder if I can put it
Yeah,
into
it
your...
turns out.
Oh, I can.
Oh, you can. Oh, cool. Oh, I see. Yeah, this says what things done on there. That lot. Right. Okay, so what's that there? That's angling basket. That's a fish, isn't it? That was good. Resting. Right. I need to put down a bed for my character.
Simple tanning station.
What? Right.
Simple workbench.
Stoned foundation. Place. Right. Oh, I see. It connects. Oh, I've just heard him pop up. Right. So if I build that. Oh, I take it the stone blocks is when you break down the bigger rocks, and then you got the smaller piles of the thing stones.
I guess so.
Yeah, I think that's what's.
It's cooking
Oh,
some more
where's
meat.
Yeah, I've got do similar to that. Oh, this is now showing refinements and all that sort of stuff on there. Building. But we need. First of all, I want to build a tent. Start building a place. Oh, and now it's starting to rain. There you go, let's
I
build
wonder
that
if it'll
back
put
up.
the campfire out.
Oh.
Rains.
Oh, I don't know. Be interesting to know. Before I start talking to
Yes,
this
it
guy
does.
again. Oh, it does, is it? Right, so
Yeah.
we're going to have to build
I've got basic building. I can build buildings. Crude stone wall, crude solid wall. Ah, we can build now. We have the option to build. Yes, I know what I meant. Funny enough, the rain will do that.
oh shit, is that adding to it? Wayne?
Rain, yeah. Is there any skills I need to worry about putting stuff into?
I've not seen anything on there, Andrew. I don't think it's. I just think it's whatever we unlock, I guess, which is going to be probably the important side of it all. maybe what we're carrying together, what weapons one person might want to carry something different to the other. What I can take a shot and start with. Right, there.
Oh, you already building?
Well, I've just started to put down there because it's giving me more room.
I would have gone with wood myself, but
I probably messed up. I think I've gone with stone, but I didn't see the wood one unless I was overlooking it. Because, although I think I've apparently added all. I think I've made a. Yeah, where the.
oh, it's just over here.
I mean, oh, there's the wood. That's why I can't see it. Right, all the stones are being found here.
How far you've come, and yet how
These are
little
blocks, are
you
they?
possess.
Right, the sandstone
Is it
blocks.
an ascetic purity that keeps thee bound to such homely presentation? No. Across these wilds, your kind have proliferated with haste,
I noticed if you put the blueprints
industrious
together, it seems
and
to
more than
actually,
willing to avail
calculate
amidst your ever-growing
of what you
need.
put together on the blueprint. So yeah, so you
Indulge
expand
their
everything like that.
hunger for essence, and they will indulge your want for new and novel
Look,
constructions.
I'll talk to you in a minute. I need to get the building up. So I can put a camp down there. Oh, well, put my Christmas stuff down. See down over there. Yeah, I realised where I messed up because I noticed it with the blueprints. It looks like it's probably goes like what wood, stone, wood. Oh, that's hailstones. I'm getting hit by hailstones in it. A little bit. I suppose that's where the umbrella also comes in hand as well. Hey, well, a bit of a few walls still built, but it seems to have done the roof full space
We
there.
need to find somewhere to get.
Yeah, come on to this bit. I've only need what 19 more stone just to start it off. I'm gonna get a thing down there so it goes to the campfire. Remember where I saw it. Okay, we got that. Interesting. That's there's I didn't realise there's oh no, actually these are craft basics of repair. So you got campfire, tanning station, and workbench. Right, so I'm going to put the campfire there. Put you in there. Well, that's crafting the meat. That down there. Right, need a few. I think I need one more plant fibre for the tanning. What do I need for that? Oh, I need a wood bundle. Actually, I better repair my gear.
What is the sickle for?
You probably get more plant fibres out of it if you put it over the fibres when you're out there collecting. So if you bring that up and hit those, I think it takes it down quicker and you get I got 3 out of that.
Stone we need. Put stone walls up. So. Oh, my stamina dies so fast.
Have you rested?
Yeah.
So I think all the other things that can cause your stamina to... Right, let's get back to it. Puck is constantly coming up here, like I haven't spoken to him yet. That's because I wanted to get these walls done. Although I do need logs for the crafting table.
Yeah, those walls off in the background.
Right, so the talent thing is done. We just need how do we use this?
Please tell me you
Right,
still need stone
okay.
for carrying loads.
Yes, yeah, I need it for the door.